The unit must be properly maintained to provide for proper functioning during its lifetime. Maintenance is easy. The indoor and outdoor air filters must be maintained in a timely and correct manner. The indoor air filter is washable. We recommend washing it at least once a year. The ambient air filter retains extremely small particles in the air, which can also reach the lungs. Therefore, the filter is made of special non-washable material. The frequency of replacements depends on ambient air pollution, in which the unit is installed. Regular maintenance also provides for healthy ventilation and proper operation of the unit. Authorized repairers will check the operation of key components in the unit and replace the air filter when necessary.